Former cabinet minister and opposition leader Dr. Ken Baugh is dead. Dr. Baugh passed away shortly after 10 this morning following a lengthy period of illness. He had undergone surgery in 2015 to remove a brain tumor. In a statement, Prime Minister Andrew Holness expressed great sadness on the passing of the elder statesman. Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips also expressed regret. Dr. Kenneth Lee O'Neill Baugh, who was born on February 24, 1941, served as Minister of Health in the 1980s and Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade from 2007 to 2011. He also served briefly as leader of the opposition in 2005 before Bruce Golding, the new leader of the Jamaica Labour Party at the time, was able to take his seat in the lower house via a by-election. Following the Jamaica Labour Party's loss in the 2011 general election, Dr. Baugh continued to serve as Member of Parliament and opposition spokesman on health and quality of life. He retired from public life in 2016. Dr. Baugh also served as General Secretary and later as Chairman of the Jamaica Labour Party. Throughout his time in public life, Dr. Baugh remained highly respected for his work as a medical doctor and for his contributions to the sector as Minister of Health. In 2016, he was awarded the nation's fifth highest honor, the Order of Jamaica, for his distinguished service to Parliament, the public service, and contribution to medicine.
And a recognition of the necessity for self-effort. That there is no Godfather, no Ronald Reagan, no Prime Minister, and no government that can do the job that we have to do for ourselves.
He's survived by his wife, Vilma, children, and other relatives.